Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove picture background on both smartphones and PCs. So without further delay, let's get started. For smartphone users, you can either use the app or the website. Using the app, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the app. So you click on Play Store. And you search for the app remove.bg. remove.bg. So that is the app right there. I've already downloaded it. So you click on download. Once it's done, you click open. You open the app. Make sure your data connection is on, because this app makes use of your data connection. So once the app opens, you click on upload image. You open your gallery and select the picture that you want to remove its background. And so you click on the picture you want to remove the background and you select it. Once you select it, the app will automatically, in a matter of a second, remove the background. So as you can see, the background has been removed. All you need to do next is just to download. Click on download. You see, the background has been removed. The background is now transparent. So another way to do this is through their website. You can use their website to remove the background. So to use their website, all you need to do is to go to Google Chrome. To go to Google Chrome, click on the Google Chrome icon. Now in the search box, type remove.bg. Remove, that's the website right there. Click on search. So as you can see, this is the website. Now once the website opens, you still follow the process we did using the app. You click on upload image. You select the image that you want to remove the background. Let's say I want to remove this. Immediately the website will remove the background. And this is the way you can remove your picture background using PC. So with PC, all you need to do is to go to the website remove.bg. Once the website opens, you click on upload picture, select the picture, and the website removes the background automatically. There are other things you can do either on the app or on this website. You can choose to edit the image by changing background, blurring background if that's what you want to do. If the app or the website didn't remove the background the way you want it, you can use the erase or restore tool to erase some parts that were inappropriately removed. Okay, you can change the background, okay, using this website, and is also available on their app. So you can change the background here if you want to. You can upload a background that you want to use and you can use it to change it. Okay, so using the ones made available here, as you can see, can change their background. So this is a wonderful app and a wonderful website where you can remove your background. If you found my video valuable, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.